Test.
Pain is there.
What is he saying?
Pain
Is still there.
Then
எவ்வளோ குறைஞ்சிருக்கா இல்லையா?
No reduction of pain.
where is the pain you are feeling now?
எக்ஸாக்டா கால் தொட்டுக்கமே.
Correct of call.
Yeah. He was saying this pain.
Back pain has gone.
Low back pain
Reduced.
is reduced. His hamstring has been released. Ankle pain has to be managed. You understood?
Yes,
What am I
okay,
saying?
Okay, super sir.
You please plant stem cell. Be silent for some time.
Sir, take it closer. Take it closer.
Otherwise, I have to put one class monitor for you.
Sir, put a needle there.
Deep inside.
No, we are in the scalp.
Scalp only. Superficial.
We are superficial. We are not even touching the
Inside the
bone.
bone. Superficial, horizontal. Right.
हाँ.
Horizontally.
मैंने उसको थोड़ा सा इम्पल्स देके
Again, it is going.
மூணாவது ஊசி உடஞ்சிச்சு மண்டே தண்ணி அவரே தண்ணி குடிக்கிற அளவுக்கு ஆயிட்டு
தண்ணி காட்டுறோம்.
Now you see how much pain you have. See, when you have a pain, first I should reduce the low back pain.
ஓகே
Right?
எஸ்
You should stepwise reduce the pain. Then only patient will become. If you reduce the pain 100% at the same time, what he will say? Pata nahi.
It's confused.
They will remain confused. So pain should be reduced 50, 60, 80, 90. Gradually you have to reduce it. If you reduce in one shot, he will get confused.
Okay, understand.
How much pain is he feeling right?
No relief.
Still pain.
So you are asking by feeling the slipper whether the ankle pain is there.
செப்பல் போட்டு நடக்க சொல்லுது வலி
वो चप्पल போடுறா
अकल का है वो उसके चलने के कारण हुआ वो एक ऐसे करके चल रहा है
सर ये कैसे रखा है?
वो हम सिखा देगा आगे ये खत्म कर लेता है Now you will see 30% reduce.
ஓகே நல்ல கால் நல்லா வச்சு நல்லா சைடுல
வாக்கிங் இஸ் குட் சார்
Now feeling
வாக்கிங் இஸ் குட்
Now walking pattern has become. How much pain? I told you na 30% relief.
slightly reduce
See,
ఓకే
one who was asking me without pain, who can do brain stimulation? One person was asking me. Now you were asking me.
Wait.
You got the answer. I did 2 placebo with this patient. 2 placebo with this patient.
சார் வாங்க உள்ள
செப்பல் இருக்கு
Right? I did not stimulated it. And neither I did anything. with
30%
that.
relief
So, he is having a question. Can we do without this pain? So to prove him that we cannot do without this pain because if you don't have stimulation, right? How will you recover the patient? So first one I gave for the low back pain. Low back pain is gone. Then to answer your question, I just placed one needle and I did not stimulate it. I took out and I gave it to you. Right? That was a placebo needle. You understood? Placebo. To answer his question, I gave him a placebo needle.
Okay.
In third needle, when I placed it, I gave a stimulation.
Stimulation.
In this stimulation, I told he will get 30% relief. So there was one question that if the patient is having so many people or near the people, patient will say he is recovered, right? Someone was saying something like that. So I was just saying it is not that. If the patient is having pain, he will certainly say that he is having
Pain.
pain. You give him 1 lakh rupee also, he will take and head home and go, he will say there is pain. Right? Now we are going for 50%.
Very good.
Huh. Now you walk and see.
What are they going to do?
Now you see.
Perfect.
Different.
Now in each pattern, the gait pattern walking is
Yes, yes. Exchange.
Release the child. 50%.
I told you 50% will
Yes,
go.
yes. 30 is 50. Good. Sit down.
Step by
Shut
step.
down.
Yeah.
Hari sir. Hari
Sit
sir.
down.
You got my point.
Very good, sir.
So,
Anything.
our honorable orthopedic surgeon, he has come to reduction of 50% pain.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಡಿಕ್ಲ. 50%
Now we are going for
ಇದು
70%.
ಬೇರೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ.
इसमें से किसी नीडल को पकड़ सकते हैं?
वो तो थोड़ा बाद में बताने से भी होगा ना. अभी तो ये देखो उसको रिकवरी आया या नहीं आया.
विदाउट स्टिमुलेटर
बिना आत्मा के शरीर किस काम का. Even I purchased this needle. क्यों नीडल के बिना हम कुछ भी नहीं, ये स्टिमुलेटर के बिना. Now you see 75% of the page is good.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. சொல்லி அடிக்கிறதா?
Now what is better?
நார்மலாக நடக்குது.
போச்சுன்னு சொன்னான்னு சொல்லுவாங்க.
எவ்வளோ?
எந்த அளவுக்கு கம்மியாக 50 to 70%. He is not able to measure the 70%. So we are losing the gastrocnemius. Now अब चल के देखो. वो what your sleeper without sleeper दादू माँ.
Without sleep.
So from QID
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಡೆಕದೆ ಇದು.
Videos group.
ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
and now you tell me
ಬರೋಲ್ಲ.
which is costly.
Yes,
This
yes.
method is costly
Right.
or giving steroid infection.
நீ விடுற மாதிரி சொல்லலாம். நீ வலி போகுது சொன்னதான் விடுவோம். வலி போகுது சொல்லு. இல்லை
Now 70%.
ஜம்ப் பண்ணு.
See, while walking,
டிஃப்ரெண்ட் சார், டிஃப்ரெண்ட் சார். அவ்வளோதான் இருக்கு. அந்த பாதி தான் குறைஞ்சிருக்கு. பரவாயில்ல, 50% குறைஞ்சிருக்கா?
completely 70% is.
டெய்லியும் போட வந்தது.
Our muscles. Basic scale.